Hey everyone, this is Lily in the future. I realized we didn't really do an intro to this video, so I'm editing it and I thought I would just fill you in quick. It's been a long time, but we are trying to get videos up of the things we've done to improve our flat. So this is us painting and kind of redoing our living room, dining room area. So we're going to jump right in to the painting and go. Clint,
Yes.
what you doing?
Just painting.
What do you think?
Pretty decent.
Yeah, we have a lot of painting to do. I'm just taking a break. There's a lot of wall to cover, but Clint has to do most of it because he's tallish, or taller.
More skilled.
But Clint, I can start again if you want. Okay.
Okay. Well, this may just look like a pile of wood. And this may look like a bunch of random wood sitting around in the garage now. But this is actually a catwalk for the living room. And this is our TV stand situation. It's a big truck coming. Anywho, so I'm going to be sanding and staining and doing all kinds of stuff today to get some pieces of furniture done for the living room now that the living room is painted. So I'm going to be staining everything black because the other wooden furniture in the room is black, so we're going to have everything match. So yeah, I'll give you a few updates here and there. Okay, now that we got everything sanded down real nice, we can paint everything. So I'm not really using a paint, I'm using like a stain. And it's just this black stain here. This guy. Hopefully it'll do the trick. It seems to do very well on the other materials. This is the same material we used for this piece of furniture that's in the living room. Worked pretty well. Worked very well, actually. So, yeah. We'll give it a shot with these guys and see how it goes. Okay. Now we have all of our parts are painted black. Except for the back of this guy. And so we gotta just polyurethane gloss finish. It's gonna be fancy.